Hello and welcome to ePolish.eu. If you are already familiar with using our publications and accessing them on the platform, you may have noticed that the Czytaj krok po kroku series functions somewhat differently compared to our other publications. The Czytaj krok po kroku series features a collection of short stories designed for students at the A1 level. Each volume contains 10 stories for both listening and reading, accompanied by vocabulary and grammar exercises. The series is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their reading and listening comprehension, review essential grammar points, and expand their Polish vocabulary. Just like our other publications, the printed editions of the Czytaj series come with an access code. By activating this code on your ePolish account, you'll gain unlimited access to the audio recordings, which you can download and listen to anytime. Please note, however, that this code only provides access to the audio files and does not include access to the e-coursebook, which is an interactive version of this book. The Czytaj krok po kroku e-coursebooks are available as separate products in our online store. Once purchased, they will appear in the e-coursebooks section of your account, and you can use them just like any other e-coursebook on the platform. Buying the e-coursebook also grants you access to downloading the corresponding audio files. If you study on our platform with a teacher, they may assign you materials from the Czytaj krok po kroku series, for example during online lessons or tests. To view these materials, you will need to own the specific e-coursebook they come from. Without it, you'll receive a notification that you don't have access to the content. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu, or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing ePolish and happy learning!